In a previous tutorial, we went over how you could create your own color palettes from images using Procreate. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how you can export and import those color palettes in case you'd like to work with them on other devices. So I'm going to open up my color palette menu over here, and I'm going to come down here to where it says palettes. And if you notice over here, we have the sunrise palette that we created in that previous tutorial. This is a custom color palette that I created. Let's say I want to use this color palette on another iPad. To do that, all we have to do is tap on these three little dots right here and go down to where it says share. Now I'm going to choose to save this to my files. So I'm going to come down here and go to save the files. And I'm going to save it to my desktop, and I'm just going to give it a name. You could change the name up here. It's already named Sunrise by default, but I'm going to name this Sunrise-Palette just so I know what it is when I see it on my desktop. Let me write palette. There we go. And I'll click done. And then I will tap save. And there you go. Now the color palette is exported. Okay, so now that we have exported our color palette, let's go over how we can import that color palette into Procreate in case we'd like to use it on another device. To do that, I'm going to tap on the color menu again. Again, you want to come down here to your color palette menu. And now I'm going to tap on this little plus icon right here. I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to go down to where it says new from file. And I'm going to go to my desktop, and there it is right there, the Sunrise palette. And there you go, it imported it into Procreate, as you can see there. So that is how you can go about exporting and importing color palettes using Procreate for the iPad.